Hey there, welcome back to Best Reviews. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 smartwatches of 2024, showcasing the latest and greatest in wearable tech to keep you connected and stylish. If you love staying ahead of the tech curve, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. And don't forget, you can find all the product links down in the description box. Let's get started. The Withings ScanWatch Lite is not just any hybrid smartwatch, it's a comprehensive health companion on your wrist. Starting with its heart rate tracking capabilities, this smartwatch offers 24/7 monitoring to help you optimize your workouts. You'll receive notifications if your heart rate is too high or too low, ensuring you stay within safe limits. One of its standout features is the overnight heart rate variability tracking, which gives you insights into your cardiovascular health over time. Next on our list is the Fitbit Sense 2, an advanced health and fitness smartwatch that helps you manage stress, sleep better, and live a healthier life. This device is designed with an intuitive touchscreen interface and offers tools to help you understand and manage your health. Stress management is a major focus of the Fitbit Sense 2. It features all-day stress detection with the CETA sensor and provides a daily stress management score, helping you understand how your body responds to stress and how to manage it effectively. The built-in ECG app allows for atrial fibrillation assessment, and the watch can provide irregular heart rhythm notifications. The SpO2 sensor tracks your blood oxygen levels, and the Health Metrics dashboard offers comprehensive insights into your overall well-being. The Wristcam is a unique accessory for your Apple Watch, adding dual-camera functionality to your device. It features an 8MP sensor for high-quality photos and full HD video, with a 720p sport mode for action shots. This device is Apple MFI certified, ensuring seamless integration with your Apple Watch. Using the Wristcam app on your Apple Watch, you can use the watch as a viewfinder and capture photos and videos directly from your wrist. The hardware button provides a quick and easy way to take shots, ensuring you never miss a moment. You can preview your photos and videos on the watch itself and use Wi-Fi to download the full quality versions to your iPhone. The Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra is a robust and reliable smartwatch designed for those who lead an active lifestyle. Its durable titanium design can withstand harsh conditions, making it perfect for activities like hiking, biking, and even ocean swimming. The Galaxy AI on the watch helps you challenge yourself by comparing your current performance to previous workouts, motivating you to push your limits. The Energy Score provides insights into your physical readiness, taking into account your sleep, heart rate, and steps from the previous day. This personalized data helps you plan your activities and stay at your peak performance. Topping our list is the Apple Watch Series 9, the latest iteration of Apple's iconic smartwatch. This model comes with a gold stainless steel case and a clay sport band, combining style and functionality. One of the standout features of the Series 9 is its carbon-neutral design. Apple is committed to reducing its environmental impact, and this watch reflects that commitment. The S9 chip inside the watch enables a super bright display and introduces a new way to interact with the watch without touching the screen, making it more intuitive and user-friendly. With cellular connectivity, you can send texts, make calls, and stream music without needing your iPhone nearby. The Family Setup feature allows you to manage Apple Watches for family members who don't have their own iPhone, keeping everyone connected and safe.